This morning, the Supreme Court is honoring and remembering the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. You see a black wool crepe adorning her chair and the bench in front of where she sat, right there in the middle of your screen. This has been a tradition for the court since at least 1873.
And as the United States continues to mourn the death of Justice Ginsburg, the fight in Washington over her replacement continues to get even more heated this week.
Right now, News 4's Justin Andrews is live for us in our control room. Justin, tracking the debate going down in our nation's capital, as well as reaction from local lawmakers on this.
Yeah, Claire, President Donald Trump may nominate a Supreme Court justice this week. As you can imagine, there's a bitter battle with this. We're hearing from people in politics saying the pick could be a titanic fight. The nation lost a giant who pioneered women's rights until her very final days. Now the search for her replacement just weeks before a presidential election. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell repeatedly said he would move swiftly with President Trump's pick. We're hearing from local lawmakers about this.
Two things have to happen for a person to go on the Supreme Court. And in the tradition of the country, when the Senate and the president were in political agreement, no matter what was the election situation, judges went on the court, and other courts, when they weren't in agreement, they didn't. And we were in a situation in 2016 where the White House was controlled by one party, the Senate by another, and the referee in that case was going to be the American people.
Well, Anna, we understand what happened 4 years ago, the Scalia vacancy. Senator McConnell made the announcement that we would leave it open literally for a year to wait for the presidential election to see what the American people wanted done. Now he's completely reversed himself.
It's worth noting this morning you heard Durbin's reference to this. When Justice Antonin Scalia died in 2016, Mitch McConnell used a very different approach when replacing a justice. This will be a very interesting week in D.C. News 4 will keep following it. We're live at the control room this morning. I'm Justin Andrews, News 4.